Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. Just want to quickly show you how to change the battery on a Jeep Compass key. This probably applies to a lot of Jeep keys, but this came off a Jeep Compass, and I believe it's like a 2018 or 2019. They both would work. So basically you got this top part right here, and you're going to press your little valet key and take that valet key out. So this is the key you normally would use to open the car if like your battery died or whatever. But for whatever reason, many people call it a valet key. It doesn't really, well, I guess, you can also lock up your glove compartment with this and then take that with you and then leave this with the valet so that your valuables are safe from the valet. And then what you want to do is you're going to need a tool for this, because typically I like to use the valet key to open the key itself, but it was really difficult in this case, so I had to just use a little screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, and just kind of pry the edges open slowly so that you don't break it. So like that, and just gently open it. And there's the battery in there. It's a CR, let's see, I'll take it out so you can kind of see. So hopefully you can see that. It's a CR2032. You can get those on Amazon pretty cheap. And it is actually facing outward like that. So once it's placed in, you should not be able to read the writing on the battery once it's placed in correctly. Like so. Okay, so you change your battery, put the key back on, just make sure you get it to kind of click. It is a tough one actually, so, and then it just seals up like that again. Put your valet key back in, and you're ready to roll. So hopefully that helped you out with your Jeep Compass key, or I'm sure many other GM and Jeep products use this specific key, but this one came off a Jeep Compass, and that's how you change that battery. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please click subscribe if you did. Have a great day.